G'day everyone, Jason here with a review of some more Bluey toys. So we have a couple more of the stuffed toys in the line. And so we have Coco. So you can see there, very poodle-esque. Again, great stitching around the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Has all this sort of microfiber on the hands, on the bottom of the feet, the ears, top of the head, obviously the trademark eyebrows there, the tic-tac eyebrows, and then the little puffy tail, chased around by Homer Simpson, and there's also a little sort of felt butterfly clip in the hair there. So that is Coco. And then we have Snicker. So he feels like he's full of beans. He's got like beans in the bottom to keep him sort of heavy enough to sit down, and of course now I've squeezed the beans, he won't sit. But yeah, he is heavier in the base. Again, stitching around the eyes and the muzzle, big floppy ears. I love his little sort of Australia cap with the green and gold, and with the sun protection down the back. Very sort of looks like he's about to go out and do a clean up Australia. Doesn't come with a backpack or anything like that. He does have the long sausage dog body, and there's his little feet there. So yes, so that is the two latest stuffed toys from Moose for Bluey.